in every bit of your being. We are women, and we are powerful. We are mothers, daughters, sisters, friends, and leaders. We are creators, innovators, and change makers. We carry the weight of the world on our shoulders. Yet we rise time and time again with unwavering grace and determination. We face challenges, yes, but we do not break. We stumble, we fall, but we get up, dust ourselves off, and keep moving forward. We are embodiment of hope, the architects of our own destinies.